What is this? Okay. What is happening in this frame right here? It's like businessmen that are like, are they blinded? Do they have goggles, swimming goggles? This is 82 Major. What's up? It's your boy Dre, 82 Major. Sign MV. Let's get it. Let's go. What is happening? Oh. Oh. What? What is this moving set? Wait. Hello? Oh, it's all reversed too. Hold up. Who we shooting? Oh my god. Ooh, it's clean. The ticky tock. I'll take it as a sign for sure. Yeah, stay here. I need only one thing. On the step, you can just all I'll be comping. Okay, serve. What? The whole white outfits go crazy, and then they dance in the rain or water. Listen, dancing in water is my weakness. It just looks so dope. I think it's undefeated though. Damn. Not them saying that while thrusting. What is this choreo for the hands? Oh, what up? Ooh, damn. No, buddy. Where we going? Damn, he's shooting. Not the love shot. Nah. Tick tack tack. Hey, hey. Damn. Fire. The tiki taki talk I have to get used to, but the whole music video, it's sexy. It's sexy. Especially when they started like doing this. What the F is so good in their album? Ah. They're funny as hell. I got to work with them here and there. Ooh, they cold with that. All right, y'all. Put a comment down below what you guys think of 82 Major Sign MV. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. What's that? Watch. This tree's nice. Look at him. Fuck you. You piece of shit. Feel M? 82 Major? Alright, let's see this.
Ayo, so like honestly, like some of these people be talking crazy. Like Lamsung over there, I don't even know what he's talking about. He's talking about some, oh, I rap better than you, I sing better than you, I'm better dancer than you. Hey,
damn.
he can stop talking, cause like, hey, I don't even know what he's talking about.
What he talking about though?
What
you talking about? What the fuss? What's the fuss? Ooh.
What's the fuss? Get out of my section like what you want. Eating CDs every day for
lunch.
Wheel. Clean up like a dicer. Ain't nobody to me. Like wasn't easy for me.
Ooh. Oh, definitely added.
Nobody can stop me. Pressure, tension, stress up, cracking, friction, massive, loser, jealous, bias. So what?
Damn.
Already now be up shit 움직임이 fall back to close to nobody. 다 떨어질 떨거지 I don't care about you honestly. 난 한마디 안 해도 밟고 차올라도 버져.
Ooh. Fuss. Hey, twerk that.
I hate talking to you names that what's the fuss, huh?
It's going. We going hard in the paint. What you know about thing? You stank. I don't know what I'm saying. That was fire. Okay. My bad, 82MAJOR. What's the fuss? WTF?
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day. Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now.